let's understand in very easy language what is DevOps. So there are two key teams that are involved in releasing a software or an application. So one is development team, the second one is operations. There are a lot of other teams also, but yeah, let's just talk about these two main teams. So the development team, it's responsible for writing the code, building the application, like the real software logic. And the operations team, it's responsible for deploying and maintaining of that application software. So traditionally, these two teams often worked separately, which could cause delays and misunderstanding. That's where DevOps engineer comes in. So it acts like a bridge between these two teams, development and operation. That's why it's called DevOps. Their role is to ensure that application isn't just deployed successfully the first time, but also every time for every future update and change in a continuous and automated manner. And just like that, SRE or site reliability engineering, it's all about making sure systems are reliable, scalable, and they perform well. So, reliable means the systems you can rely on, and scalability means the systems that can grow and handle more load as you need it. So, their focus is to keep everything up and running, not just running smoothly, even under heavy workloads. Similarly, a cloud engineer designs, set up, and manages the cloud infrastructure that supports applications and services.